So today Omar is going to do a review on this therapeutic, what is this, Spa Sensations by Zinus 8-inch Theratouch memory foam mattress.
Now it looks good from the cover. We're going to see if this actually is good.
Let's see what the qualities, the features. High density, comfort to your body, slow recovery time, takes time to bounce, sensitive to body weight. Your benefits: cushions and supports body pressure points, conforms to your body faster, doesn't push back up when sleeping, no pressure means more comfort. And then, let me pause it. Oh, just cutting the plastic tape off of the sides.
You have the fucking tape so close.
Oh, shoot. All right. So as soon as you open up, this is what it looks like. It's a big swirl donut looking. What is this? Probably the instructions.
Come with instructions. I don't really think we need this though.
I don't think we need it either.
Gift card.
It feels very, it's like Ziploc tight, like airtight.
You can't even tell if it's sterile right now.
I'm about to say flip the box. Shoot. And my camera's running out of memory. But that's all right. Okay, so you gotta go fast. I got 51 seconds left. He's trying to get it. I told you to slice it with the knife. I don't know. Okay. He's unrolling it. Oh, are you kidding me? Let me pause. Okay, so I'm recording again. Okay, so now he's taking it out of the plastic and it should expand and get a little bit bigger. Y'all, he was beasting for this mattress. So we're gonna see how big it is. I was about to say, I know that's not a full mattress. Okay. Mind you, we got this from Walmart. Wait, okay, there you go. So Omar, how do you like it?
It's good, it's good. It feels amazing. Only thing is, I say after you get it, if you do get it, you probably want to spray it down with some Febreze because it stinks because of the plastic.
The plastic stink. But this is how thick it is. It's like 8 inches. Memory foam. He likes it. We're going to put it on a bed frame tomorrow. But we're over now. Omar, say peace.
Deuces!